I hope you enjoyed that little video. Just thought I'd try and make a simple bushcraft pothanger for my new coffee pot. I'm waiting for my family, my fiance and our son. They're coming up here to have lunch with me. She's making some sandwiches and he's just been taking a nap, so slow them down a bit. Using my wooden mallet as a chopping block again for the firewood. If you haven't seen that before, that's in a previous video I made. You can go back and watch it if you want to. Thought I'd do some more work up here while I'm waiting and also after we had our lunch. I'm gonna continue hewing some logs for my upcoming survival forest camp constructions. I think I'm gonna call it a survival camp now. Outdoor survival camp, I think, will be the term. For the sake of the algorithm, you know. And I also spotted another spruce that's leaning dangerously. I'm gonna take that down. As I mentioned before, I try to take down trees that are not doing so well, either because they are attacked by some pest or disease, or because they are just plain dangerous, as that one. So that's gonna be in an upcoming video, as well as some of the hewing. I have another method, a new method to try out for the hewing. Well, it's not exactly new, but a bit new to me. I'm gonna try it and compare it to how I have been hewing before. So that's also coming in a later video. I'm not sure which one will be up first. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed, you can always do that so you get a notification when I post new stuff. I'm always happy for that. That helps me out a lot, especially now when the channel is a little bit new and needs to grow a bit. Using this telescopic blowpipe again. That's also in a previous video. It's one of the best little items I have when I make fires out in the woods. Really nice when it's wet out, so you don't have to kneel down and get wet knees. Well, I get that anyways, it doesn't really matter, but especially I think for people with a lot of facial hair, it's great to have a blowpipe so you don't have to get too close to the flames. Anyway, I'm gonna sit here a little bit contemplating what task I will take on first when I'm waiting for the family now. Starting to get a bit hungry, so I hope they're here pretty soon. Need my lunch sandwich. Well, I'm glad you popped by. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you will be back for more. And as I said, please subscribe if you want to know where I'm posting again, and while you wait for that, you can always go back and look at my previous videos, see what you think. So until next time, take care of yourselves and behave when you're out in the forest.
Jag tänkte han skulle få lite mjöl.